there anything like painful death?
Yes, I want a painful death. I remember those days when we are seeing Christianity. That time, there's what we call visitation. I used to do it. That visitation is when we used to visit people at the hospital. Yes. O nwere onye IBC, one is a rich man. Then we visited him. I said, when we visited this man, we told the man that we told him sorry, and I told him that we want to share the the existence of Chukwu Okike Premi Herene, the awakening with him. And we are asking, do you believe that God exists? I said, no. And I said, okay, why didn't you believe that God exists? I said, because there is no God. And I said, okay, I'll say, can you baptize you visit here? And we told him, we visited you out of love to share the existence of Chukwuoke with you, to rub minds together. I say, is it for what purpose? I said, okay, it's for the awakening, for you to understand the existence of Chukwuoke Premi Henine, so that you make peace with Chukwuoke. He said, if salvation is for him, that is not interested in salvation, that we should give that salvation to someone else. So, and we were like, look at ourselves. I was okay. We move to the next person. It's not up to 30 minutes. The crisis set in, and this man was like, have you seen somebody that want to pass on? Because I don't believe what the people normally use the word death. He said I use passing on. Because I know the person still live on. If you don't know that your late father lives on, my own late father lives on. Because whenever I call upon him, he used to answer. Now, by the time we move the world around, this man, crisis setting. If you see how this man was struggling on the bed, crossed on the bed, crying. To be virtually seeing tears. And I know, based on somebody that understands how spirit works, maybe he's on the cross border. And they have seen, it's only done on him, few minutes before you pass on this God's material, your eyes will open. And that at that particular time, you don't have any time for amendment. You are standing before the border of ethereal world and the spiritual world. So whatever you have not done well will be there. Kuro, you are seeing it. You are seeing your errors, you are seeing your flaws, you are seeing what you have done well. You have seen some great opportunities you have missed. You have seen what should have been your reward. You have seen where you are. And sometimes some of them will begin to struggle. They want to come back, but at that point in time, the umbilical cord, what we call the spiritual umbilical cord, has begin to decay. Let me tell you what we show. Do you know in the land of the the person must have died, some died days, weeks, even months in the spiritual realm. At where they are standing in the spiritual realm, they can't come back. But in the land of living in spirit, the person is still wandering. Call it in the Wanagija. So such a person, sometimes some of them will not be able to have the opportunity to be here on earth. Only few individuals. All you can now can at the verge of passing to the great beyond. Such a person when we hear about call back to life, he can perform this ritual and sacrifice of call back to life, the person will come back to life. But if the person have the spiritual umbilical cord has been severed, okay, no reason. So during an experience painful death, whenever they want to die, you see them struggling, some will be crying, some will be see that they are struggling because they are seeing where they are going, and it's not palatable. So they will have painful death. Some will be saying, no, don't go, I don't want to go, I don't want to go. Some will be shouting it. Some will be murmuring. You will not hear what they are saying, but you know that actually they are not happy. But only hear that one, You see some people they want to talk, it will be, if you are on the big side, he give you consolation. Tell you that this is happen na chukwu. Go sweet sweet words. And when the person pass on, the person like smiling. You notice that the person at that point in time you see the person talking with his or her own forces. Sometimes some of these forces will come that we are here to take you. And if he have done well, you see him smiling, maybe sometimes talking to unknown forces. And if he is a spiritual person, you know that he's communicating well. And when he sees this smiling face, no struggle, you just pass on. You just pass on. Same with painful there. Thank you.